What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2024 Chevy Equinox. So taking a look at the Chevy Equinox's key fob, this button here that's almost a full circle and has an arrow on the end, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm going to lock the vehicle and then immediately hold that button down for about 4 seconds. The vehicle will respond by starting, and the Equinox will run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and start it. We can extend that runtime an additional 15 minutes by repeating that previous step. After the vehicle's been running at least 30 seconds, you would just hit the lock button and then hold the remote start button down for about 4 seconds, and that will extend the runtime an additional 15 minutes. If we want to cancel the remote start or turn it off before we've gotten in it, we'll just hold the remote start button down for a few seconds. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. You can remote start the Equinox 2 times, or you can remote start it once with an extension before you'll need to get in the vehicle and start it regularly. When the vehicle is remote started, in order to drive it, what we'll need to do is get in. And then just as we normally would, we need to press the brake, stop start button, and now we're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.